In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust font size on Shopify. Clear, readable text can make a huge difference in how professional your store looks and how easily customers can browse. I'll walk you through the exact places to click, explain what you're seeing, and share a few simple tips so your fonts look great on every page. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Online Store. This takes you to the Themes section, where you'll see your current theme at the top. Next, click Customize. Depending on your theme and Shopify's interface updates, you may see options labeled Edit Theme or Customize. You want the customization interface that lets you change settings without touching code. Inside the theme editor, the preview of your store appears on the right and your controls are on the left. To change font sizes, look for Theme Settings, then open Typography. Most modern themes include controls for headings and body text. You might see sliders, drop-downs, or size fields for options such as heading font size, body font size, or base size. As you adjust these, watch the live preview update in real time so you can judge readability and spacing immediately. A few practical tips as you adjust. Keep body text comfortably readable. Many stores land around a medium size that's easy on the eyes. Headings should be noticeably larger than body text, but not so big that they overpower images or push important content too far down the page. Pay attention to line height and letter spacing if your theme offers them. A slightly taller line height can improve legibility, especially on mobile. Use the device icons or preview controls to check desktop and mobile views and switch between different templates, like home, product, and collection pages, so your changes look consistent across your store. Each theme names and organizes settings a little differently, so if you don't see typography right away, explore Theme Settings panels until you find font controls. When you're happy with the sizing, make sure to click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Wait for the confirmation to ensure your changes are applied. Your storefront will update with the new font sizes and customers will see a clearer, more polished design. If you need further refinements later, you can return to the same typography section and adjust as needed. That's it. Open Shopify, go to Online Store, customize your theme, adjust your font settings, and save. With just a few thoughtful tweaks, your text will be sharper, more readable, and perfectly aligned with your brand.